Hello. I'm Professor Chiboy. This is the part 3 of the Culinary Arts Knowledge Quiz. There are 15 food and cooking related questions, and you have 10 seconds to answer. Let's start the quiz. Question 1. This term refers to the method of placing fat, such as bacon or fatback, around lean meats. The answer is barding. Question 2. What is the type of oven that have heating elements typically located at the bottom and top of the oven? The answer is conventional oven. Question 3. This term refers to cooking food in a vacuum-sealed bag in a warm water bath. The answer is sous vide. Question 4. What is a thick sauce usually made with pureed vegetable or fruit and often used as a garnish? The answer is coulis. Question 5. This term refers to a stirring technique used to gently incorporate a heavy ingredient into a light one, such as chocolate and whipped egg whites. The answer is folding. Question 6. This term refers to mixing and working dough into a smooth elastic mass. The answer is kneading. Question 7. What French term refers to small relishes or appetizers? This is typically served as first course of a meal. The answer is hors d'oeuvres. Question 8. What term refers to cooking food at a relatively high temperature in water or some other water-based liquid? The answer is boiling. Question 9. Who is the person responsible for overall management of a professional kitchen? The answer is chef de cuisine, or kitchen chef. Question 10. What do you call the cutting tool used to shred or grate foods like potatoes, cabbage, cheese, or if the surface is fine, to zest lemons or ginger? The answer is grater. Question 11. What Asian fruit has the nickname King of Fruits and is known for its distinctive smell? The answer is durian. Question 12. What does IPA stand for? The answer is India Pale Ale. Question 13. What dish from Spain traditionally includes saffron rice, seafood, chicken, chorizo and peas? The answer is paella. Question 14. How many ounces are in 1 cup? The answer is 8 ounces. Before the last question, don't forget to comment down below your score and give me quiz topic suggestions. Also, if you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new quiz. And now, question 15. What temperature is the freezing point of water? The answer is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it for today. See you on the next quiz.